Oh,
this is kind of massaging. This is kind of massaging.
Oh, Mom, look.
The other guy was just a jerk.
Go. The other bird. Oh, look at that. Look at his mouth. There's two more. Guys. Oh, look. They're using his hands. Oh, it's just like humans. Feet. I think it's seen people eat it. I know. I think it wants. I think it wants to eat like a human. See? Because it might fall, so he's trying to hold it.
It can fly, but not anyway.
Oh, see? He dropped it.
Oh, good timing. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I think it knows that. He's gonna drop it.
There's two more there.
He's gonna drop it. Alrighty.
I like to step in.
No, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. Just doesn't hurt that
This
much.
bird is
It's
very
like
gentle.
needles, that's all.
There's two down there.
Alright, let's see what other birds do.
No, you're not gonna hold
I
it.
don't want a bird.
I just want to see it. Jab's a chicken.
She's feathers.
Hey.
Right.
Hey.
See?
Oh,
Peck his head. Peck his head. No. I'm making it too aggressive. I'm making it.
he's just He would have pooped on you if he didn't move.
That one should be good now. He just went around. Him again?
Oh, leave it.
He really likes you.
Yeah, he likes to stay there. He likes the food. You should hold it and let her take some pictures. She's chicken. Alright, I'll show you how to do it.
I don't like birds.